na ang unang araw ng audition dito sa Cebu at may isang batang matagal na naghihintay for his turn. 12-year-old Jason from Bakayan, Cebu, and the whole time that he was waiting, naghihintay din patiently ang kanyang proud parents.
Ay, how cute. Hi! Jason, what are you gonna do for us?
I'm gonna sing.
Sino nandito ngayon? Kasama ba, mommy?
Yes.
Daddy?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Galingan mo. Do it for them. Let's go.
You got it, Jason.
It is such a relief. Mixed emotion, excited and nervous, and I was afraid to get mistakes.
Isang buong araw ng pasiklaban, isang buong araw ng paghuhusga ng mga acts. Dito nagtatapos ang unang araw ng auditions ng Pilipinas Got Talent dito sa Cebu.
Yes, so daghan salamat po sa ating mga audience! Wow! At maraming salamat din po sa ating mga contestants. At umpisa pa lang yan sa laban, huwag kayong bibitiw sa pag-aabang sa Pilipinas Got Talent mula sa first episode hanggang sa dulo sa Grand Finals po.
Dahil ito na ang pinakamalaking talent reality show sa bansa hanggang sa susunod na
Pilipinas Got Talent! Make some noise, yo!
Bukas. More of the talent from Mindanao. Mas electrifying na mga performances at sari-saring reaksyon from our audience and our judges. That's tomorrow. Kaya huwag bibitiw sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Pilipinas Got Talent would like to thank the following: Cebu Pacific Air, official carrier of Pilipinas Got Talent. To go. Cebu Institute of Technology. Capital University, Cagayan de Oro. Lyceum of the Philippines, Batangas. Janssen Cosmetic Surgery. Crystal Clear Purified Drinking Water. GM Joe Tours and Transport Corporation. SM Homeworld. Baguio Country Club, our official residence in Baguio City. RRJ.